Hello everyone, welcome back my YouTube channel Salesforce. This is Rohit and today I'm going to discuss about string.format method in string class in Salesforce using Apex. So if you want to learn something new, so please watch this video until end. You can subscribe the channel and also you can turn on the bell icon for more updates so you never be miss any kind of update from my side. Please watch this video until end if you want to learn something new. So let's get started without any further delay. So first of all, let me tell you what is string.format. So string.format is a method available on the Apex string class that can be used to build dynamic string Apex. In some scenario, you might want it to build an error warning success message dynamically at the runtime. So this method will help you. Okay, so how to use it? Very simple and very easy way to use this one. Okay, so I will show you two examples how to use it. So you can follow me for this one. Okay. So first of all, let me show you the simple one and then we will see the dynamic, custom level, how to use dynamic custom level using this string.format method. Okay, fine. So let me tell you the, the syntax method signature. Okay, so once you clicked on this gear icon, open the developer console. So right now I'm using developer console here. And once you open this developer console, now you can write your code, right, using anonymous window. So just click on this debug, open anonymous window, right. So let me remove it. And now let me tell you the syntax or, method signature, like method signature. Okay, signature is, is below, something like that. So method signature is like public, right. Static is a static string class string and then format, and this method contain two parameter. Right now this method contain two parameter. First is string to format, something like that, and then list of object. Okay, so list of object. And then this is the second parameter, that is formatting arguments. So it's a formatting arguments, right? So it's a arguments. So this is the signature. Please let me zoom out this one. Okay. So now once you open it in zoom window, you can see the formatted, right? So this is the method syntax or method signature. You have to follow it. So how to use it in our real time? So you can use it very simple. Just let me remove this one or you can comment out for better understanding, right? So just let me comment out this code, and here, so just here I want to show you now how to show the dynamic message based on the input variable, right? So suppose I have lots of string and I want to use it, so we can use it using this curly bracket and variable. So this is the syntax. Let me tell you here. So let's say formatted string, like format string, right? So format string, how to use that? So suppose in a single quote, right? In single quote, so you can write like that, and this is the curly bracket, like placeholder. This is the 0 position, and we have some string like that, and then second position, the placeholder, second placeholder has a vary, and then I want to use the second placeholder and the third one like that. Okay, so it's a third. So I want to use this placeholder using this string.format method. So I will tell you what is the use of this placeholder. So the second attribute, it will set up such as dynamic attribute. Each markers are placed up matching index number of the string array. So I have a string array as a follow. So let me create the string array. Okay, so here it's a list of a string and a formatting arguments equal to, you can instantiate this list of string. This is string here, right? And you can give any name as you want here. Let's say John, right? John, and then you have to use John, and again you can make it like separately, John week, something like that, right? John week, and then third you can see the good, and the final is wife, something like that. Okay, so this is our list of string array, right? It's a kind of list of string, and based on list of string we can use it. So how to use it? Very simple. We already created this list of string, right? Before that, let me tell you how to create the string with marker to be built dynamically, right? So here the example, let's say string, a string, and a string to format. Okay, string to format equal to, and then you have to give your placeholder, right? That curly bracket, and it's a single quote, so it should be wrapped in single quote, and this is the 0 index at this placeholder, and then of, and then first index, that is first, this is the 0 one, and this is the first one, and this one after that you can give, let's say, has a vary, right? And you have to pass another a placeholder if you need, like that. So here you can see the dynamically like string to format, and I have a list of arguments of the string, and based on this one I can use it. So let me tell you how to use this string.format. Once you've done it like that, all formatted, this is the dynamic one, line number 7, right? And after that you have to use like a string, and then formatted, like formatted string equal to, and then you have to use your string class, that is string.format method, and this format method contain two parameters we already discussed here in the line number 2, like string to format and the list of string, or any kind of this is object, so object can store anything, right? So you have to consider this one. So now you have to pass this one. So first is string to format, so this parameter should be go here and comma separate. This is the second parameter, like this. Okay, so this is the first example, and after that we can debug the log. So system.debug, and here I want to use that formatted string, right? So here just copy this one, paste it inside this system.debug method, and here, and let me click on this execute button, and once you clicked on this execute button you will be see output inside developer console. So once you clicked on this debug only, now immediately you can see John of week have a very good wife. So of is middle of John and week. I need John week first, and then if you need this one, so you can use it, otherwise leave it as is. So John week has a very good wife, so of we can remove it. Okay, so let me open the unused window of, let me remove this of here. Okay, now this time you will be see here, so let me execute again, and here you will be see the output, the second one. Okay, so it's executing here. Click on this debug only. Now you can see John Wick has a very good wife here, you can see. Okay, so this is the output dynamically, right? So based on the placeholder we can use it. So let me tell you the another thing. This is the first example. Now using custom label, how to use the custom label in formatting method. So using custom label, how to use it. Okay, so very good to use this custom label at the runtime. Okay, so now this time we have to use the custom label. So how to use the custom label? Just you have to create your template first. So my template is string template, something like that, equal to, in single quote you have to give like 0 placeholder, and the second placeholder like 1, and the third one, or here you can see, right? So these all placeholder we have to use inside our string.format method, and we can use custom label inside this one. So let me create one list first of all. So list of object obj equal to new list of object, and this object contain, let's say, Salesforce hunt, right? Salesforce hunt. After that, you have to give another, value inside this list, because I'm trying to add these all value inside this list of object. So it can be anything. Object can handle everything, right? So it can be string, object, date time, any data type as you have. So Salesforce hunt, and then finally we have to use like new or date time, like date time dot new instance, right? New instance, and under here we have to pass new instance of date and time, right? And after that we have to use our custom label. So how to use the custom label? So just you have to use like label dot, this is my custom label, because we already created this custom label. So here you can see this one. So final output will become like that: Salesforce hunt, and then date, this date on time and label. Okay. So let me add something here. Salesforce hunt, after that was updated, something like that, right? And after that you have to use your string.format method. So first of all, let me create another variable, or you can directly print inside this system.debug. So let me print directly like system.debug. Under here we have to use like a string.format method, and this format method contain two parameters. We already discussed these two parameters. First is string to format and list of object. One is string and second one list of object. So just and this is our template. So let me copy this template, paste it here, and the second one is the obj. So let me copy this obj, paste it here, and semicolon, right? So let me select this highlighted code and click on this execute highlighted. So once you clicked on this execute highlighted, it's open me the developer log. So here you can see the developer log. Just let me click on debug only, and finally you can see the final output. Salesforce hunt was updated this time, and this is the time and date, right? After that, and this is the demo of string.format method. Please observe, this is the hard coded value, these all, right? But this is coming from custom label, you can see. So once you come here in the code, you can easily understand what is the purpose of this string.format. So suppose at the runtime, if you want to show or something like say error warning and success message at the runtime, so you can use this kind of string.format method, and you can show these things. So guys, I hope you learned something new in this video. If you feel like this is the very more informative for us, so please like, share, comments. Also subscribe the channel. Also you can turn on the bell icon for more updates, so you never will miss any kind of video notification in upcoming days. Okay, so till then, bye bye, take care, see ya. Thank you for watching, guys.